guys, today is Wednesday, November 1st. Me and Jessica are in line. We overslept. We did oversleep. We're at, it's called Pong's Recipe Thai Food. We're eating Thai today. And we're currently in line. We're so hungry. Anyways, I forgot to say goodnight yesterday, sorry. But me, Nick, and Alan went to Pocha with like Nick's friends, Victor, and I forgot what their names are. Yeah, Santiago and Declan. And I forget what the girls' names are. One of them was Nancy. But anyways, yeah, we went to Pocha and then we went out and met them at like a club afterwards. But like it was literally just me, Nick, and Alan for like a majority of the time. So excited to eat now though. I'm gonna get pad thai, of course. Guys, it's here. We both got pad thai. Yum. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, wait, so it's tom yum soup? Oh. I love soup. Jasmine, Teresa, and May were sitting right there and they just left. Because we got here so late. Okay, the moment of truth. Jessica just took a bite. We took a bite now. Looks good. Smells normal. Hot. So hot. It sort of tastes like the one from home, but not really. Is your pad thai at home good? That's really good. Mine's really good. Is it better at home? I think it's better at home as well. Okay, Jessica and I took a little pit stop at Spao because we saw these pajamas the other day when for Teresa's birthday when we were in this building because the hot pot place, the shabu shabu place is like one floor above here, and we saw these pajamas. We really wanted them, so we're here getting them. My Melody is my favorite, which we all know, but I already have a pink pair that I got from the cacao store, so I'm gonna get cinnamon roll. It's really cute. Yay! I will give an official haul when I get home. I'll do a try on as well. Hi guys. Jessica and I are at this juice place now that May recommended. We actually went here yesterday, but I didn't get anything because I don't know. I didn't know what I wanted, so I just didn't get anything. But look at my big bag. Oh my god, I'll give you a haul later. Anyways, this is what I got. I just got mango juice. I guess it's like not juice, it's more of like a mango smoothie. Now we have to head back to school because there's a perfume sale for 8,000. They're like selling minis for 8,000, so we're gonna go. Oh my god! You're like so silly.
Wait, we're literally gonna get abs.
I know, like I feel it. I feel it in my abs. It's so funny. Hello, we have now hit the perfume sale on campus. They're selling these mini samples for 8,000. I'm gonna get a daisy because I really like daisy.
This scent? What scent is this on?
Oh my god, guys, look at that cat. Oh my god, look at its paws. Oh. It's like more. More. Feed me more. Oh, it likes it. Hi guys, Nick and I spontaneously decided to come to this Mexican restaurant because the Thai place that we wanted to go to for dinner was closed.
It's kind of cold. The chicken's cold.
I hate when chicken is cold. Anyways, we got 2 chicken tacos, fries, and an enchilada. It looks really yummy.
It tastes like the chicken I make at home.
Oh, okay.
I make this shit every day.
This looks so yummy. Alan got this at Emar. It's it's upside down. Oh no, it's upside down, but it's okay. So he's sharing with us because there's so many in the pack. And now we're gonna play these games with Maddie, but she's calling her mother right now. And also, there's Nick. Hello. Say hello. Okay. Try it. See if it's spicy. Wait, oh, okay.
It's not spicy.
No.
Mosquitoes.
Almost fish now.
You like it, Maddie? Alan got a big bag of it. So he's sharing with us. Thank you, Alan. Okay, quick update. While we were waiting for Alan, Nick and I went to this cookie and ice cream place. It was very cute. It was like themed inside. And then we went to Art Box. Here's what I got from Art Box.
It's so good.
Oh my god, my camera's gonna have to die. This really fun game with Belle.
Okay.
One that we played.
I really
The
like
board game cafe that Alan introduced to me. And then this game that Maddie introduced to me. It's like the one where
Well, you bought both.
Yeah, I bought both. and then I got this. So cute. Whoa. What is candy? In the washing machine. And then I got these spicy Krabby Patties.
Show this to them.
And then I got this at E-Mart because I've been craving M&Ms. Except they're not the mini ones, so they're regular. Oh, this is our bean. That was we named it Spencer. Okay, and then I got a snack at Terrace Baguette. This is really yummy. Hi guys, I know I promised you a haul. I don't feel like trying it on though, but oh, I'm talking to the camera. Okay, so I got these. I love these gloves. I got these really cool gloves. But the thing is, they have holes. Can you see the little holes? So when you text, you can just stick it out like that. I love it. It's so innovative. It's so cool. I'm so happy about them. Cause like, look at the grippy ones with the rubber. They don't work that well. And then I saw this like hat. It's not really like a hat, it's more of like a hood. Like a detached hood, so I can wear like crew necks and stuff or whatever, like jackets, and it can peep out when it's cold. So excited. Anyways, and then the pajamas! I'm so excited. Wait, I want to wear them like today, but it's like it's not cold enough in our room. But I really like them. It's so cute. Yay! Oh, and then a jacket. I got this jacket. So cute. It was $99,900. That's so cute. I love it. It's so soft too. Oh, and then at the perfume sale on campus, I just got Versace Absolute. Let's open it. Cause I have Versace Bright Crystal, but I don't have this one. It's this one, the pink, like the pinker one. There's also a book sale, so me, Jessica, and Maddie all got the same book, and we're gonna read it. Like, we will read it. It's called Almond by Won Pyong-sun. Yep. The cover's cute, so yeah. Excited to read that. And that is all for the haul today. And good night. See you tomorrow. Hello, today is November 2nd. I'm here with Tyler. We're eating rolling pasta. He got carbonara, and I got pesto, something pesto. Yeah, basil pesto. Hello, I'm now at Vienna Cafe with Nick. After I ate rolling pasta with Tyler, I walked around a little bit. So it was so full. So, shopping with my cardio. And this is what I bought. I will show you. Very exciting purchases, I must say. I went to like what's it called? The Uplex Plaza. I can't see it. Spencer. And then, yeah, so I went to the Uplex Plaza, and this is what I got. I just like went through all the floors, like literally all of them, except not the top floor.
No, you didn't.
I got distracted. First I saw this hat. I thought it was really cute, so I bought it. I've never seen this color scheme before. I always like see basic ones, basic white ones. But I like this one since it's pink and black. I know, I noticed that. But just pretend it's not there. And I just wish, I kind of wish it wasn't there. But it's okay. Isn't the back so cute? And then I got this shirt from the same floor, but it was like a different store, I guess. It's a little pink. This was $68,000. It was only $50 though. It's cute. And then I saw this skirt, but I wasn't originally gonna try it on because it was expensive. So I just like picked it up, and then I saw the price and then I put it down. And then like I wanted to try on the shirts, but I wanted like bottoms to try it on with, so I was like, oh, I'll just try it on the skirt. And then I tried it on, it was really cute, so I bought it. It's a skirt.
Wow.
Really cute. It's by Ami.
That means friend.
Alexandre Mathieu.
That means friend.
Yes. Wait, what is his name?
That's his name.
How do you say the last name?
Alexandre Mathieu.
That's it, what I said. I never heard of this brand before. I really like it. It's so cute. It's a little bit, it's like medium length. It's not long, but it's not short. So in total, I spent how many dollars?
You got free money. You got free money.
I did get free money. Okay, so in total I spent $236,000. But I got my tax refund of $13,000. So I got a drink. It's free, basically. Yay, yay. Try on home when I get home. Okay, study time, goodbye. I forgot to mention, I also wanted a little snack, so I got this. But it was 2 + 1, so I got another one. And then I got another one. I never tried this one before. I only tried this one. So I ran into May and I had a little bite of hers and it was so good. So I was like, I want that. Yeah. They're just chocolate wafer rolls. So yummy. They also have a peanut butter one, but that one's weird. So I just got chocolate and vanilla. And I'm like stocked up. I don't even need that many, but it was 2 + 1, so I was like, okay, might as well. Okay, now I'm doing work. Goodbye. Hello guys, we're done studying for now. Now we're eating at a restaurant. It's called Jyoti.
Jyoti.
Yes, that.
Look, there's like a little fire.
Oh my god.
Keep it warm.
Hi guys. Nick and I went to like this random bar, and now we're bowling. Oh, that's pretty good. We're only doing left hand. He's winning. I'm like doing really bad. Let's see what the score is. It's like 36-18, as you can see. I mean, I'm doing really bad. It's okay though. We're only doing left hand, so like if it's bad, just know it's because it's my left hand.
Wow.
Actually my best one.
Look at her go.
I just need to get the 3. Easy peasy, like whatever.
Fuck it. Oh. Oh.